Myself Abhishek Pandya, here with the topic marginal costing. Every student sit in the class are very familiar with this concept. Let me try to cover all the important aspects with the help of these people. Let's begin with the content to be covered in upcoming class. First of all, definition of marginal costing, their characteristic, merits and demerits, COP analysis, break-even analysis, margin of safety, angle of incidence, contribution margin, and income statement and formula. Let's begin with the definition of marginal costing. Marginal costing is increase or decrease in overall cost of production due to change in quantity of desired output. For example, if a particular firm produce 10 units at the cost of $500 and n plus 1 unit at the cost of $550, then the difference between 550 and 500, that is 50, are marginal cost. Let's see what are the characteristics of marginal cost. All elements of cost are classified into fixed and variable components. Second, only a fixed costs are not considered for valuation of closing stock of finished goods and closing WIP. Variable costs are treated as cost of product. The value of finished goods and WIP is also comprised only of marginal cost. Prices are determined with the reference to marginal cost and contribution margin. Let's see what are the merits or we can say advantages of marginal cost. It simplifies pricing policy. It shows realistic profit. It helps in decision making. It helps in planning of short-term. It helps in short-term profit planning and proper recovery of overhead and more control over the expenditure. Let's see what are the disadvantages of marginal costing. It lacks a lack of calculations. It's not applicable to all the industries. Incorrect assumption for classification of expenses, limited output, and it does not give due attention to time factors, wrong basis of stock and WIPs. Topic COP analysis. It is a technique जिसके नाम में छुपा हुआ है इसका मीनिंग. COP एनालिसिस वॉल्यूम ऑफ बिजनेस एक्टिविटीज में चेंजेस करने से कॉस्ट और प्रॉफिट में क्या इफेक्ट होगा, उसको टेक्निक को यूज करते हैं. जिस टेक्निक को यूज करते हैं उसको बोलते हैं COP एनालिसिस. It is way to find out how changes in variable fixed cost affect the firm's overall profit. Company can use COP analysis to see how many units they need to sell to cover all the costs or reach a certain minimum profit margin. It is a basic formula of COP analysis. Sales revenue minus cost. Break-even analysis refers to identifying the point where the revenue of the company and revenue of the company start exceeding the cost of the company. In other words, break-even analysis tells us how many units of a product must be sold to cover the fixed and variable cost. Let's see margin of safety. Margin of safety or safety margin refer to difference between the break-even point and the actual sales. ब्रेक-इवन सेल्स के ऊपर जो सेल्स होगा और जो पॉइंट होता है, जो गैप होता है, उसको मार्जिन ऑफ सेफ्टी बोलेंगे. All sales revenue that company collect over and above its break-even point refers to MOS or margin of safety. Margin of safety is a figure that organization to set for the product and scale up the productivity efficiency. मतलब ये जो पॉइंट है, उसको MOS बोलेंगे. For example, if actual sale for a month June 2023 are $250,000 and the break-even sales are $150,000, the difference between the $250,000 and $150,000, that is $1 lakh, is a margin of safety. Let's see angle of incidence. It is an angle of interaction between the total sales and total line drawing case of break-even time. It indicates the rate at which profit are earned. The higher the angle, the larger the angle, the higher the profit rate, and the vice versa. Contribution margin. It represents the incremental money generated for each product unit sold after deducting the variable portion of firm's cost. Contribution margin is computed as a selling selling price per unit minus the variable cost per unit. It is also known as a dollar contribution per unit. The measure indicates how particular product contribute to the overall profit of the company. Marginal costing income statement. First of all, the sales आएगा, उसके बाद ओपनिंग इन्वेंटरी आएंगी, वेरिएबल प्रोडक्शन कॉस्ट, दैट इज डायरेक्ट मटेरियल, डायरेक्ट लेबर, वेरिएबल प्रोडक्शन ओवरहेड, उसके बाद क्लोजिंग इन्वेंटरी आएगा, और जो आएंगे मार्जिन कॉस्ट आएगा, कंट्रीब्यूशन मार्जिन, उसके बाद फिक्स कॉस्ट को लेस करेंगे, उसके बाद आएंगे प्रॉफिट. some of the important formula of marginal costing, that is contribution is equal to sales minus variable cost, PV ratio is equal to contribution upon sales, break even point in unit, fixed cost upon contribution, break even point in sales, fixed cost upon PV ratio. Margin of safety is equal to actual sales minus break even sales. That's required profit fixed cost plus required profit upon PV ratio. Profit for the given sales, contribution minus fixed cost, contribution is equal to given sales. ये दो तीन फॉर्मूला है कंट्रीब्यूशन के. गिवन सेल्स में इनटू पीवी रेशियो फिक्स्ड कॉस्ट इज इक्वल टू कंट्रीब्यूशन माइनस प्रॉफिट. So thank you so much. ये मैं contact detail, you can follow my Instagram account, my YouTube channel, LinkedIn account. Let's see to what.